Have your cake and ice cream too with these fun ice cream mug cakes. You can use your favorite ice cream flavor and self-rising flour or cake flour to make these ice cream mug cakes. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Add 8 tablespoons of ice cream and place in a mug or microwave-safe bowl. Melt the ice cream for about 15 seconds in the microwave or until the ice cream is mostly melted. Using a fork, stir the ice cream until it is smooth. Add 4½ tablespoons of self-rising flour. Use a fork to stir the flour and break up any clumps of flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, check out the description below for a link to a video to learn how to make it. Make sure the batter is smooth before placing the mug in the microwave. Place the mug in the microwave for about 1 to 1½ minutes. Top this ice cream mug cake with frosting or ice cream and enjoy. Add 10 tablespoons of ice cream to a mug or a microwave-safe bowl. Melt the ice cream in the microwave for about 20 seconds or until the ice cream is mostly melted. Using a fork, stir the ice cream until it is smooth. Add 5 tablespoons of cake flour and add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Use a fork to stir the mixture and break up any clumps of flour. If you don't have cake flour, check out the description below for a link to a video to learn how to make it. Place the mug in the microwave for about 1 to 1½ minutes. Top with frosting or ice cream and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.